O, narito na naman yung friendly Mama Miles. At syempre, eto na ang aming kalye, pinapagawa ni Mayor. Lalapad na po yung kalye namin. O, diba? Yan ang bunga ng ating mabuting Mayor, si Mayor Vico Soto. Yes, go, go, go. And, okay, wear your slipper. And this is my apo. We are playing together there. Okay. I'm gonna hold you.
I don't fall.
You might fall because you are on the edge. Wear your slipper now.
Look at the worst turning around. The worst turning around.
Yeah. Kuya fixing the?
Red.
Kuya fixing the what? That one, oh. Kuya fixing the what? This is what we do dahil maaga pa naman ngayon mga ka-smile. Kaya naman ang aking apo ay sinama ko muna rito. Gusto daw niya makita, ah.
Don't hold me. I want to hold by myself. I want to watch the water by myself, Mama.
No, you're gonna get. Do you want to get? Huh? You want there? Oh yeah, it's coming out now. What can you say? What can you say? It's coming out. O, diba mga ka-smile, napakasarap talaga ng may apo. Lalo na't napakadaldal. O, diba? Nakakapag-nose bleeding tong batang to.
Excavator have a track. Excavator have tracks, Mama.
Let's go. Okay. Watch them. They're working.
You're going to drill? The excavator got to drill?
Yes. Na-amaze talaga yung apo ko pagka nakakakita ng mga excavator, yan, yung mga ganyan, natutuwa siya. Diba mga ka-smile? Okay, let's go there. He's going to drill now. Okay, let's watch him.
Let's go out. I want to carry me to the top. They're going to catch something. It's too heavy. Mommy, get me at the top. Get me.
Can you do that? Can you make it on the top?
Yes.
O diba mga ka-smile? Go, go, go. Diba mga ka-smile? Dati, ang inaalagaan ko lang yung maliit kong mga anak dati. Ngayon, apo na ngayon ang inaalagaan ko. At eto na, napakasarap talaga. Yes, bago tayo pumasok, ito ang ginagawa natin, no? Nakapagluto na tayo, nakapag-devotional na tayo. At naihanda na natin si Mister ng masarap na pagkain. Nagluto ako ng corned beef. Special spicy canton with egg. At meron tayong banana and meron tayong grapes. So, yan, tsaka sinangag. Ayan ang hinanda namin sa umagang ito, di ba? Ayan, at si Apo pinakain ko na rin yan. Ako, favorite niya ng egg noodle.
Mama, get me up there.
Yan, so araw-araw ganyan ang ginagawa natin. Lagi tayo maging masaya. At masaya lang sa ating buhay. Yan ang apo ko, kahit saan lang yan, hindi yan maarte. Okay, I'm gonna get you up. Come on. Hi, Kuya. Say hi to Kuya.
Hi, Kuya. Hi.
Okay, okay, I gotta get you up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Now, you wanna get up down. Nako, ang likod. Nako, sobrang likod. You gotta pull down there. You gotta sit down there, okay? Just a minute, okay? You're gonna be dead.
Look, Mama, there's a wave. Look, it's always a wave turned.
See that? See the crane there? Diba? Amazed na amazed ako po pag may mga crane, mga constructions. Gusto niya yan.
Charge. Look. Look at the water's going there. Oh, round, round, round. Look at the water's like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay mga ka-smile, happiness lang ang bibigay natin sa ating mga buhay at lagi tayong manalangin sa Panginoon. Magpasalamat tayo sapagkat ang dami ang mga blessings sa ating buhay. Di ba mga ka-smile? Go, go, go with Mama Miles. O, say bye-bye. Say, go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
With Mama Miles. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe in the videos. Bye.